Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Farizuddin bin Raihan Sharif. I am the presenter of the PSM project titled Redesign and Optimization of Conical Water Filter via CFD Simulation for Fabrication with Additive Manufacturing. And my supervisor's name is Encik Hazman bin Hasib. Okay, in the background of study, it states that the Industrial Revolution 4.0 makes sensible industries by redefining the role of humans so that the cyber and physical systems can perform successfully. Next, the additive manufacturing is the industrial technologies building three-dimensional objects by layering material on top of each other. Then, the stereolithography is a method on an optical device to solidify small layers of ultraviolet, and it is the primary additive manufacturing technology in 1987 by 3D Systems. Furthermore, water filtering is an integral part of water treatment to ensure safe drinking water. Hippocrates was the first to develop the concept of passing water through the cloth to filter the sediments and contaminations. Water supply for human beings should be enriched with mineral salts, and the minerals and salts in water is required for the right functioning of human organs, including hearts, kidneys, and blood circulation along human's body. Okay, for the problem statement of the study, the first problem statement will be the effectiveness of the water filter throughout the inlet to the outlet, which is the pressure difference will increase the work and degrades the performance of the water pump and the electricity consumption while using the water filter. The next problem statement will be the material application of the water filter. The material of wire meshes could cause the filter to change shape when the inlet pressure is unstable, and with the wire mesh, it could also affect the flow rate of the water filter. Regarding the objective of the study, the first objective is to redesign the current conical water filter for additive manufacturing fabrication by using SolidWorks software. The second objective is to observe the fluid flow characteristic using the computational fluid dynamics analysis for both conventional and the redesigned filters. The third objective will be to evaluate the strength of the conical water filter by using finite element analysis simulation for both conventional and the redesigned filters. And the last objective will be to optimize the flow rate through the conical water filter based on the initial simulation. The scope of works of this study is limited to optimizing and improving the current conical water filter to a conical water filter with the application of additive manufacturing. The second scope is observing the fluid flow characteristics and the pressure differential of the conical water filter by using the computational fluid dynamics analysis. And the last scope is limited to evaluating the strength of the conventional filter and the redesigned conical water filter using the finite element analysis simulation. Okay, based on the previous study of filtration technology, filtration is the primary process of separating particles or contaminants from water to produce a safe water for drinking and industrial daily usage. Wire meshes are possible to overlap and cause inconsistent flow of liquid through the filter. The conventional conical water filter is a product with higher separation efficiency with diameters of 2 micrometers to 10 micrometers. And Bernoulli principle states that the increase in fluid speed occurs simultaneously with a decrease in static pressure and decrease in the potential energy of the fluid. From the research of contaminants, the naked human eye could only detect pollutants with diameter of 20 micrometers or greater, while the microscope could detect the particles ranging from size of 0.03 micrometer up to 19 micrometer, and the contaminants with the diameter ranging from 0.001 micrometer to 0.02 micrometer could be spotted with an electron microscope. Furthermore, for additive manufacturing, It is defined as the capabilities and design freedom that will lead to possibility of creating unique filter media with an integrated support and filter paths with aperture dimensions. Okay, for selective laser melting, it is renowned as additive manufacturing technology for producing ready-to-use parts made of metals such as stainless steel, nickel, titanium, and aluminum alloy. Porosity should be avoided in the development of selective laser melting processes since it has a detrimental impact on mechanical parameters such as strength, hardness, and fatigue behavior. Okay, the flowchart of the overall process for the methodology of creating the conical water filter will begin with the filter design, which is compared between the conventional conical water filter with the redesigned conical water filter with the application of additive manufacturing. Then it will be proceed to the mesh failure test. When the mesh failure doesn't detect any failure, then it will be going through the computational fluid dynamics analysis and the finite elements analysis, and finally to the data interpretation part, and the product is then complete. Okay, about the methodology that is related to the first objective, which is regarding the filter design, there are a few parameters that will be inspected during this designing of the conical water filter, which is the height of the filter, the top of the filter, the outer bottom of the filter, inner bottom of filter, and finally the shell of the filter. Okay, for the methodology that is related to the second objective, which is the computational fluid dynamics analysis. Okay, this computational fluid dynamic analysis is done to obtain the pressure drop and the velocity drop of the filter design. From this design, we can determine the amount of pressure drop with the conventional water filter and the redesigned conical water filter with the application of additive manufacturing. The methodology that is related to the third objective, which is the finite element analysis, is done to obtain the von Mises stress and displacement value, to determine the allowable yield strength of the filter, and to measure the total pressure drop. Okay, in the expected outcomes, the expected outcome is redesigning and optimizing the current conical water filter with the application of additive manufacturing by using stainless steel. The second outcome is the fluid flow analysis, and the strength is evaluated with the computational fluid dynamics analysis and the finite element analysis simulation. And the final outcome is the conical water filter with the application of additive manufacturing will provide a better strength and pressure difference result during the filtration process. That's all from me for the PSM presentation. Thank you very much.